Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Notebooklm and immediately importing material. Don't over-prepare. Upload PDFs, docs, or paste text into the import drop zone so the app can index content. Once done, name the project clearly so you can find it later. This matters because Notebooklm organizes context by project. Make sure to select the correct language and model settings if available. Those affect answer quality. This gets you from 0 to indexed content fast and prepares the app for precise responses. You now shape the interaction by writing clear, specific prompts that reference the imported material. This is how Notebooklm finds exact answers. Ask targeted questions, then immediately add follow-ups to narrow scope, say page ranges or quoted lines. Once you see an initial reply, refine by instructing the model to cite source locations or compare sections. Use built-in filters or tags to limit results to a document or date range. That reduces noise and increases useful, verifiable output. To finish, export the summary or citations in your preferred format and integrate them into your workflow. You want reproducible outputs. Always verify critical answers by opening the cited page in the original document. Notebooklm can err if context was ambiguous. If responses are incorrect, re-import files with clearer sections or add explicit prompts that quote text. Alternatively, increase context size or model precision. One key troubleshooting tip: when accuracy fails, narrow the prompt to a single paragraph or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.